Damn, I'm tired of waking up feeling like this. So empty and alone. I guess it's time for me to move on. 30 days gone by since you left me, and I wake up every morning with your image in my head.
Greetings, YouTube. Alain unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Thursday, January the 6th, 2020. We're having some bad weather at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. I'm out back in my greenhouse here, and we're actually under a tornado watch until about 9 p.m. here tonight. Here at our Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia, Tifton County, Georgia, actually. And we want to give you guys a quick peek at exactly what's going on here with a couple of things in our greenhouse. As you guys know, in our previous video in our greenhouse, we showed you that our two pineapple tops were indeed rooted, and we were going to show you that we want to actually pot those two guys up. We did that. We want to show you what those two pineapple tops look like potted up. But also, in our last video, if you recall correctly, we told you guys, and we showed you that we had actually attempted to germinate some moringa seeds. Wow, that lightning. Well, anyway, we were attempting to germinate 6 moringa seeds in one of our germination seed trays that we received from Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction. And today we actually came out, checked our greenhouse, all the plants in our greenhouse, and took a look at our seed germination tray, and we saw little signs of life over there in that germination tray. We're going to bring those that germination tray inside where the lighting's a little better, and show you guys both what our pineapple tops look like potted up, and what we found inside our seed germination tray when we got home this afternoon. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, indeed, here we are inside on one of our tables where the lighting is slightly better than it is outside in our greenhouse. We want to give you guys a quick look at exactly what our pineapple tops look like potted up. Yeah, our two pineapple tops. If you guys recall from our last video in our greenhouse, we told you that we put this particular pineapple top in water about 4 days. It had been in water about 4 days in that previous video, and it had already developed significant roots. We told you guys we would wait a couple more days before we put that one put it in a pot, and we did that. This one had been in water about 2 days in our last video, and it's now currently been in this water for about 3 or 4 days now. And it developed roots a lot faster than that one, so we went ahead and potted this one up too. But yeah, our two pineapple tops, pretty and green down in that center, and they're looking lovely. We will indeed be bringing you guys frequent updates on these two pineapple tops. We're going to leave them in our greenhouse until we're sure that the cold weather is completely over here, before we actually plant them outside in an area that we already have prepared for our pineapples, a nice sunny area. At any rate, we just wanted to show you what was going on with our pineapple tops. We're going to bring our seed germination tray here on the inside now, and put our pineapple tops back out in our greenhouse. Bring our seed germination tray on the inside, and show you what signs of life we found in that seed germination tray this afternoon when we got home. And again, if you guys recall from our last video, we planted 6 moringa seeds in that seed germination tray. We planted 3 tangerine seeds, and we planted 3 pineapple seeds in that seed germination tray. I wanted to give you guys a quick look at exactly what's going on with our seed germination tray. Hang tight, you.
Yeah, can you guys see that? Our moringa seeds that we planted just a few days ago have already indeed begun to sprout. And this is what they're looking like right now, YouTube. We'll bring you guys back in another few days with another update, show you what's going on with them and how much growth progress they've made out there in our greenhouse. Again, we don't have any type of grow lamps or heat mats or anything out there. We're just using the power of the sun. We have had a couple of cooler days here. Temperatures actually down in the 30s, and thankfully everything out in our greenhouse survived. Temperatures dipped down into the mid 40s inside of our greenhouse, and but thankfully again everything survived. And this is again what our moringa seedlings are looking like at this point. We'll bring you guys back in another couple of days and show you exactly what's going on with our moringa. Thanks for watching. If you currently are indeed watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, Please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really would appreciate it.
Damn. I'm tired of waking up feeling like this. So empty and alone. I guess it's time for me to move on. 30 days gone by since you left me, and I wake up every morning with your image in my head. I can't forget the way you painted perfect pictures of a life with you beside me and the promises you said. I'm all cried out, I ain't got a doubt, I ain't gonna let it stop me, and I wanted you to know that I'ma cherish every moment spent together. I'll be loving you forever, but I gotta let you go.
When hearts lie, when hearts lie, sad eyes cry, sad eyes cry. When hearts lie, when hearts lie, sad eyes cry, 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 sad eyes cry. When hearts lie, when hearts lie, when hearts lie, sad eyes cry, sad eyes cry, sad eyes cry, sad eyes cry, sad eyes cry. Sad eyes cry.
Damn. I'm tired of waking up feeling like this. So empty and alone. I guess it's time for me to move on.